linear equations. We have seen graphical method and elimination method to solve linear equation in two variables. Another method to solve linear equations is determinant method or Cramer's rule. Determinant method or Cramer's rule. First of all, we will see what is meant by determinant. Determinant म्हणजे काय ते पाहूया. Vertical lines मध्ये A, B, C, D अशा प्रकारे लिहिलं. दोन वर्टिकल लाइन्स मध्ये चार एलिमेंट्स किंवा चार नंबर्स लिहिलेले आहेत. A, B, C, D. याला फर्स्ट रो म्हणतात. रो 1, रो 2. हॉरिझॉन्टलला रो म्हणतात, वर्टिकलला कॉलम म्हणतात. कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2. हाऊ टू इव्हॅल्युएट दिस डिटर्मिनंट. डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू कशी काढायची. अशा प्रकारे A इंटू डी, A गुणिले डी मायनस B इंटू सी किंवा C इंटू बी. कसं पण पहा. डिटर्मिनंट म्हणजे काय. दोन वर्टिकल लाइन्स मध्ये चार एलिमेंट लिहिलेले आहेत किंवा चार नंबर्स लिहिलेले आहेत. A, B, C, D. पहिला जो हॉरिझॉन्टल आहे त्याला रो 1 म्हणतात. दुसरा जो हॉरिझॉन्टल आहे त्याला रो 2 म्हणतात. पहिला जो वर्टिकल आहे त्याला कॉलम 1 म्हणतात. दुसरा जो वर्टिकल आहे त्याला कॉलम 2 म्हणतात. डिटर्मिनंट इव्हॅल्युएट कसं करायचा. A इंटू डी मध्ये मायनस चिन्ह, B इंटू सी. एक्झाम्पल. 4, 5, 3, 6. How to evaluate this? 4 into 6 minus 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. 4 6 are 24 minus 15. 24 minus 15, 9. In this way we can evaluate a determinant. Practice set 1.3. We will see first question. Practice set 1.3. First question. 3, 2, 4, 5. Now how to solve this? 3 into 5 minus 4 into 2, that will be equal to 3 5s are 15 minus 4 2s are 8. 15 minus 8, that will be equal to 7. See again, it is very simple. Determinant 3 2 4 5 हा इव्हॅल्युएट करायचा आहे. 3 into 5 minus 4 into 2. 3 5s are 15 minus 4 into 2, 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Minus 1 7, 2 4. That will be equal to, this is minus 1 into 4 like this. मध्ये मायनस चिन्ह. 2 into 7 or 7 into 2 कसं लिहा. minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 2 7s are 14 minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. Next example. Determinant 5 3 minus 7 0. 5 into 0 minus चिन्ह. minus 7 into 3 5 zeros are 0 minus -21. 7 3s are -21. Minus of minus plus 0 plus 21, that will be equal to 21. See this one, 7/3 into 1/2 minus 3/2 into 5/3, that will be equal to 7/6 minus 15/6. 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6, minus 3 5s are 15 minus 6. 7 minus 15/6. 7 minus 15 minus 8/6. 2 ने डिवाइड होता है, minus 4/3. We can evaluate a determinant. Now we will solve these equations by determinant method. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. To solve these equations by determinant method or Cramer's rule, comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. a1 3, b1 minus 4, c1 10. a2 4, b2 3, c2 5. Determinant D, a1 b1, a2 b2 is equal to 3 minus 4, 4 3, that will be equal to 3 into 3 minus 4 into minus 4. 3 3s are 9, minus of minus plus 4 4s are 16, that will be equal to 25. Determinant dx, c1 c2 b1 b2, that is equal to 10 5 minus 4 3, that is 10 into 3 minus 5 into minus 4. 10 3s are 30, minus of minus plus 20, 30 plus 20 50. Again dy, determinant a1 a2 c1 c2, that is nothing but a1 a2 3 4, c1 c2 10 5, that is 3 into 5 minus 4 into 10, 15 minus 40, that will be equal to, by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, 50 upon 25, that is 2. Y is equal to dy upon d minus 25 upon 25. That means 2 minus 1 is the solution. Okay. To solve the simultaneous equation by determinant method or Cramer's rule, comparing the equations, always compare with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. a1 coefficient of x 3 minus 4 10. 4, 3, 5. Determinant D. A1, B1, A2, B2. 3 minus 4, 4, 3. 3 into 3 minus 4 into minus 4. 3 3s are 9. Minus of minus plus 16. 9 plus 16, 25. Dx. C1, B1, C2, B2. C1, C2. That is 10, 5. First column. Second column as it is. Minus 4, 3. 10 into 3 minus 5 into minus 4. 10 3s are 30. Minus of minus plus 20. 30 plus 20, 50. Dy. A1, A2. First column as it is. Replace second. C1, C2. 3, 4. Second column 10, 5. 3 into 5 minus 4 into 10. 3 5s are 15 minus 40. That will be equal to minus 25. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. Means 50 upon 25. That is 2. Y is equal to dy upon d. Minus 25 upon 25. That is minus 1. Question is 2 minus 1. Second. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Rewrite the equations as 4x plus 3y minus 4 तिकडे plus 4 होईल म्हणजे 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. In second equation 6x minus 5y इकडे घेतला plus 5y is equal to 8. 6x minus 5y इकडे घेतला plus 5y is equal to 8. Comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. A2x plus b2y is equal to c2. 4, 3, 4. In second equation 6, 5, 8. Now write the coefficient. 4, 3, 6, 5. Solve the determinant. 4 into 5 minus 6 into 3. 4 5s are 20 minus 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18, that will be equal to 2. In dx, c1 c2, that is 4 8. A1 b1 b2 3 5. 4 into 5 minus 8 into 3. 4 5s are 20 minus 24. That will be equal to this 4. A1 A2 4 6. C1 C2 4 8. That is equal to 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 32 minus 24. That is equal to 8. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d minus 4 upon 2. That is equal to minus 2. Dy upon d 8 upon 2. That is equal to 4. Minus 2 4 is the solution. See again, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Rewrite as 4x plus 3y minus 4 तिकडे plus होईल. म्हणजे 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Minus 5y इकडे घेतला. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. a1 4, b1 3, c1 4. a2 6, b2 5, c2 8. D is equal to a1 b1 a2 b2. That means 4 3 6 5. Solve the determinant. 4 into 5 minus 6 into 3. 4 5s are 20 minus 18. 20 minus 18, that is 2. Again dx c1 b1 c2 b2. In each problem take these determinants same. C1 B1, C2, B2. C1, C2, that is 4, 8, first column. B1, B2, 3, 5. Now 4 into 5 minus 8 into 3. 4 5 are 20 minus 24, that is minus 4. dy a1 a2 c1 c2 a1 a2, that is 4 6 c1 c2 4 8. 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4 or 4 into 6. 4 8s are 32 minus 24, that is 8. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. Y is equal to dy upon d, that is 8 upon 2, that is 4.